Not all candle patterns are equal. There's a big difference between what works and what doesn't work. Let's talk about that and more right now. Hey Forex traders, it's Andrew Mitchum here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 344. And I want to talk about candle patterns and how I can help you to select the best patterns. You see, I've received an email just this week from a guy who said, hey Andrew, I've done lots of research online. I've been looking everywhere. I understand candle patterns. There's 12 that I've identified. I've spent a lot of time at my charts looking at them, taking trades off them, but the problem is I'm still not making any money. Can you help me and identify what my issue is? Now, when I delve further into this, I realized that this guy 6 months ago started looking at candle patterns, and he spent a lot of time looking at YouTube videos and just looking at sites online and forum sites, etc. And he had done a lot of research into finding these 12 patterns. The problem is that not all candle patterns are equal. And you need to understand that, and you need to understand a lot more information about technical trading rather than just saying, oh, here's a pin bar or here's an engulfing candle and I'm just going to trade it because it's a pin bar or engulfing candle. You cannot do that. That will not make you money. You can go and look at your charts. Have a look at the charts behind me. There's engulfing candles and pin bars and hanging men and all those different patterns that you hear about and candles that you hear about all over your charts. The problem is you can't just take every single one of them. It's just not going to work. So there's a lot more research, a lot more finesse that you need to do into understanding them and what makes a good candle pattern. So for me, it's all about getting high probability trades setting up. I want to take less trades, but high probability. What I'm grading is like A and A plus quality setups. Less is more, but it's all about identifying what it is about that candle, where it occurs within the chart, what part of the chart it's in, what the price is doing. It makes it from just an engulfing candle to, yes, this is a high quality setup. So it's all about things like looking at the previous trend. Has there been a trend line break? Has there been previous exhaustion? What level has the candle bounced at? Has it bounced at, like if it's a sell trade, has it bounced at a resistance level? Is that a round number, a pivot point? Is it a previous high? It could be all sorts of manner of things that we're looking for. But it's identifying that and seeing why that candle has bounced at that level. So you identify what potentially could be a good setup, and then it's a case of, well, looking into that further. Do I have stop loss protection? Am I just going to place my stop loss like high of the candle or a fib level? But if you have things such as like round numbers in the way, or previous highs, or the pivot point, or the middle Bollinger Band, or things like that, things in the way of that candle. So if you're taking a sell trade, if the price does retrace, which quite often it will do, is it going to then not go and hit your stop loss? So it's understanding, do you have that in your favor? Exactly the same, but with the profit target. You're looking for a sell trade and you're looking for the price to head down. So what is in the way of your profit target? Hopefully nothing or not very much. But you can't put your profit target if it's obviously below the last swing low or below the pivot point or below a round number, things like that. You want to do yourself a favor and give yourself a high probability chance of success. So when I'm analyzing and when I teach people to analyze candle shapes, candle patterns, it's not just about here's an engulfing bar, take a sell trade. There's a lot more that goes into it than that to give yourself a good high quality chance of that being a good profitable trade. We add strength and weakness analysis into it, so we're trading with the lightly daily or lightly weekly direction depending on the time frame chart that we're trading. All those extra things go into it. And that's something that realistically, a lot of screenshots and a lot of historical videos cannot teach you. And that's why we have things in real time. That's why we publish our daily trades every day on our membership site, which by the way have been profitable every single year since 2010. It's why we have our forum site. It's why we have live weekly webinars as well, where we trade in front of our clients. It's all about understanding things in real time. And that's a big part of trading. Trading from the right-hand side of the chart is what is the difference between making money and not. Hindsight trading, economists, screenshots, all that type of stuff Might look very pretty, might look very impressive, but quite honestly, most of it's a waste of time. You have to be able to trade from the right-hand side of the chart, see the trade, understand that yes, this is a good quality setup according to what our rules are, and actually take the trade. And that's the difference. You can't make money out of what happened months ago or even several hours ago by looking at hindsight. You can only make money from taking a trade right now. Is this a good trade, yes or no? So I hope that helps. Now, leading on from that, I've had a number of people ask me if I'm going to be doing an end of year sale, Christmas sale, New Year sale. And I'm not, because I'm moving house in a few weeks from now, moving from the North Island to the South Island of New Zealand. Big move, lots going on. But what I will do is I'm going to be holding a Cyber Monday sale, Monday the 2nd of December. It could be Tuesday the 3rd of December, depending on where you live in the world. It's going to be 12 hours only. I will put a link below this video or somewhere on this page so you can register your interest. It's going to be my only sale at the end of the year. No Christmas sale or anything like that for me this year. It's a 12-hour sale, Cyber Monday. Take advantage of it if you'd like to join us and come and learn how to trade these candle patterns effectively and profitably. Low risk, high reward to risk trades. It's what you need to do in order to make money out of the Forex market in real time. So once again, register your interest. It's going to be a great opportunity for you to join us. We've been around for nearly 11 years. There's a lot of proof, a lot of history, a lot of different market conditions, helped thousands and thousands of traders from 58 countries at the last count, all around the world, all different levels of trading knowledge and experience, different time zones, all those type of things. And we've helped so many thousands of traders. If you'd like to join us, it'd be great to have you on board. Register your details and I'll send you more information once that is ready. So make a note on your calendar, Monday the 2nd of December, it's Cyber Monday for 2019, the only sale this year for me. So look forward to helping you and look forward to also bringing you more trading tips and information this time next week. Bye for now.